All right, what else we got in the agenda? Randolph, Mike, what else do we have?
Ending. Okay, Gail. What do we finish with that Gail? Does she ever tell us when to come out, or what? Gail from Chamberlain.
Chamberlain, Gale, I don't know.
The one that does HOAs in the group, the shade.
Call her, I'll go out again. I'm gonna have to go out personally and tell her, look, a regular shade, tanto, or I'll send Alvin, pon no regular shade. Only regular shades, go and let's ride. Let's just put them.
The work starts long before the install. Most people only see the finished work, but the real work starts way before we ever knock on a door. It starts with conversations, planning, faith, and showing up every day even when nobody's watching.
Camacho Blinds, I'm gonna help you.
Yes, my name's Janet Lynch.
Yes.
And I saw your ad online. I'm sorry, my dog's barking at the square.
No problem.
We would like an estimate. We have plantation shutters
Okay.
that we put in probably 20 years ago in our living room and dining room,
Gotcha.
and are interested in doing the rest of the house.
Yeah, perfect.
I set up a.
Yeah, perfect. With plantation shutters, the great thing about them is that they're so versatile that we could match, get them really close to what you have already and make everything look cohesive, you know? Unless you...
That's what I...
Yeah.
That's what I was hoping.
Yeah. They're very versatile, so we're able to do that. We've done that in the past. That's always our recommendation, so that way it doesn't look too off, you know? Unless you want to go drastic and change the style, but I always recommend to clients, keep the same. That way you don't have to change anything and it just falls in and looks right, you know?
Yeah, that's exactly what we want. You cannot see the other room, you know, but in any case...
yeah, but having continuity in a home is important, especially with the blinds.
Yeah,
okay.
Thank you.
All right, Janet. So if you could text me to this number, your address, your email, and and your full name, and then I'm gonna have the office contact you back so they could set up the appointment with you.
That's wonderful. Or is there another number that I should call now, or would you rather me just text you all that information?
Yeah.
And there's no hurry. Okay.
Yeah, you could call them directly if you like. I can give you their number to the office number.
Okay, go ahead.
It's 561.
Yes.
755.
Okay.
0977.
Okay.
And
755-0977.
Correct, and the area code is 561, and they'll be able to schedule you right in.
Okay, thank you. I'll call them right now.
We'll see you soon. Have a nice day, Janice. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Today, one of our installs is in Tequesta, Florida, known for its beautiful beaches and outdoor activities, as well as their luxurious homes with amazing scenery. We arrived at the client's home where we will be installing plantation shutters on her French door. Once we arrive, it's simple. Respect the home, do the work right, and let the results speak for themselves. When a homeowner trusts you with their space, there's no room for shortcuts. Everything has to fit right, look right, and last. This isn't about speed, it's about craftsmanship.
We have this much to work with, so I gotta see from here. Give me something to mark the screw. I don't know, a Pica pencil or here, a little piece of tape. Okay.
Marker?
Yeah, well, let's see. This marks it. This marks it. This marks it. Right around there is where I'm gonna go out to the door. You see it? Okay. So we have. That's important because you see this giant screw and you're like, oh my god, no, but you're gonna end up somewhere here, so you have plenty of. It's fine. You're good. This screw's good. You're not gonna go through. Keep going. Okay. French door's nice because it'll actually, we'll show you at the end how it goes out with the French door. The whole shutter will go out with it. It's the nicest way to go. If you're okay with us drilling on an impact door, you have to be okay with that because obviously we gotta go through the impact door. We're gonna open very minimal holes, though they're very skinny, so nothing invasive. That's why we take our time to do it right. But yeah, you'll see now at the end how it looks, and also the handle, how this handle is able to still work. You'll be able to work both handles, go in and out without a problem. That's that cut that the factory made there. So it slides with your door, you're able to close it, and it goes with your door, and you're able to angle them however you like. Let's say you want to keep a little less sun there, and you want to close this one, and you go ahead and close this one. Look how it looks. You can do whatever you like. It's called divider rail, and these are split louvers, hidden tilt. The tilt's actually in the back, and the door actually opens up as well for you to clean your window, get to your glass.
It looks right from the inside and just as good from the outside. This is where everything comes together. Clean lines, smooth operation, and light control that works the way it's supposed to. Simple, timeless, done right. When it's done right, you don't think about it. You just feel the difference. This is the difference precision makes.
Super exciting, man. You know, it's another facet to our company that we're growing, man. You know, expansion, man. Expansion is important. It's another facet that we're growing is commercial contracts. That's our next big step. You know, I've had a dream. I've always had a dream for this company, and dream to realization, there has to be something in between, right? So you could have a dream, and I heard Steve Harvey talking about this in the radio the other day. He said, you could have a dream, but faith without works is dead. And that's what he was saying, and it's true. And you can have a dream, but if you don't put that dream to work, it won't become a realization. You know. And in order for that to become a realization, you need to put in the work. And I feel that we're at that point. We're at the point of expansion. We're at the point where you know, businesses, you know, not only residential, but businesses now are starting to recognize us and saying, hey, you know, these big businesses have worked with these people. You know, like Yukon Construction, you know, big businesses have worked with us, and other big businesses are falling in line and saying, I want to work with them too. You know, and it's part of that dream, man. That dream where you know, my dad, you know, gave me this phone, this vehicle, and this dream. You know, he said, take off. You know, and we're making that a realization, man. And it's I'm super excited about that, man. I'm super excited. I'm ecstatic. Every day I work, man. And I've said this before. I know I've said this before, and I tell this to clients, right? When we're face to face, I tell them this. To me, this is not work, man. I'm excited about this, man. I know it's just blinds, and a lot of people that are hearing this are going, this guy's crazy. It's just a blind, it's whatever. It's just something that is in a room or whatever. But the fact that for me personally, I'm realizing a dream, right? That's for me personally. But the fact that we go to your home or to your office and we're able to take that sun away from your neck that bothers you, we're able to let you sleep dark, because maybe let's say you work at night, you need to sleep during the day, now you have these blackouts, you can sleep. We're able to make your day a little better. That gets me excited, man. Or we're able to make your house more gorgeous than it already is. Like, we're able to add on to your house and make it even awesomer or whatever, you know, fantastic, spectacular. Man, that makes me so excited. That makes me so excited to do that, man.
Every space has a different purpose. Our job is to make sure the solution fits the way it's used. Whether it's a home or a business, the standard doesn't change. The details still matter. Here we are in Royal Palm Beach, Florida, at an amazing dental office, making awesome smiles. Dr. Thomas and Dr. Alexander were looking to enhance their business office front appearance and ended up reaching out to us to achieve their goal, Commercial installs start with a plan. You don't rush. You make sure everyone knows what's coming down, what's going up, and where everything belongs. First step is removing what's outdated, cleanly, without disrupting the space. Businesses don't stop running just because work is being done. Everything has to line up. Measurements, placement, function. In a commercial setting, precision isn't optional. Before we step away, everything gets tested. Light control, privacy, ease of use. The goal is simple: clean lines, proper function, and a space that feels finished. At the end of the day, this is what matters: showing up, doing the work right, and leaving every space better than we found it. One home, one business, one day at a time.